Hi Munchkins, what is up? I hope you guys are doing awesome. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Have you guys noticed that nowadays I've been wearing very less makeup and I've been embracing my own skin? And even today, right now, I haven't applied anything on my skin. Well, I have been taking care of my skin and I have been following a routine religiously for the past 6 weeks. I have captured my entire 6-week journey from day 1 till this date, and you'll see yourself how my skin has changed. I'm sure you must have read the title of the video, and yes, I took a 6-week journey with Murad Skincare. Especially, I've been using these vitamin C products from Murad. This one is their Vita C Glycolic Brightening Serum, and this one is their Vita C Eye Dark Circle Corrector. Now, as I mentioned, these products are infused with vitamin C, and I will definitely talk about these products more. But before that, I want to talk more about vitamin C because that is the most prominent ingredient, I'd say. Let's talk a little about my skin's texture and my skin type. I have combination skin type, and I have mentioned this a million times already on my channel. I do tend to get a bit oily on this area of my face, and the rest of the area, it's pretty normal. It isn't too dry, it isn't too oily, it's just in between, if you know what I mean. If we talk about my skin's texture, I've always had textured, bumpy forehead for some reason, and I still don't know the reason, honestly. Also, I've never had very sensitive skin. I never dealt with acne when I was a teenager, but last year when COVID hit, I dealt with adult acne prominently on this area of my skin, and after that my skin has been very sensitive and it gets scarred very easily. I'm sure you can see these marks left behind because of the acne I was dealing last year. So even if I have one pimple right here, for example this one, it will leave a mark, and this never used to happen. Now the big question, why did I start using vitamin C? So basically, vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps in lightening up hyperpigmentation, brown spots, promotes healing, and even helps in lightening up scars. Unfortunately, our body does not naturally produce vitamin C, so we need vitamin C products to help our skin with these issues. If I were you, I would be definitely asking, why Murad? Because we have so many different vitamin C products in the market. Why did I choose to use Murad product? I'm sure you must have noticed or heard somebody saying that vitamin C based products, they do tend to change color, sometimes they start smelling weird, or they just simply stop working on the skin, and that is because the vitamin C used, it is not stabilized. But it is not the case with these products, because these are made with vitamin C and stabilized with gold. Yes, you heard it right, these are gold stabilized, which means that these are highly stable, they won't change color, they won't smell bad, it won't lose its potency. Now that I've talked about everything, let me take you through my 6-week journey. This is my skin before I started my journey. You see, I have a few dark spots on my forehead and also on the left side of my face, and let's not even talk about how hideous my dark circles look. Okay, so this is my first day of me trying out the Murad vitamin C range. My skin is not doing its best right now. I do have a lot of breakouts on this area of my face. Also, you can see a big pimple on my forehead as well. This is exactly 1 week after using the products. There are no major changes, but I do see that my dark circles are definitely a bit better than they last looked. Alright, so this is week 3 of using just Murad vitamin C serum. This is how my skin looks like. So last week it was like very stressful for me, so I had a few bumps here and there. For my dark circles, I still need to continue using this product, and because I haven't been getting enough sleep, I haven't slept well, and that is the reason my eyes look this bad. But I'm trying to improve my sleep cycle, get better sleep. So yeah, that's an update of week 3. So I think it is week 4, 5, I'm not very sure. So this is how my skin looks like. It looks pretty good. I mean, like, I love how my skin is feeling now. My under eyes, they look good, not bad. Like, initially when I started this journey, my under eyes were very bad. So you can see like these tiny little bumps here, like I'm breaking out on this area. It is because I was in Bangalore, I was traveling, and it was a very hectic schedule because of all the traveling, and of course because I was wearing a mask 24/7. That's the reason this happened, but it's totally cool now that I'm at home. I don't have to wear a mask constantly or cover my mouth, so it will recover pretty soon. But this is how my skin looks like. I like the way it looks and I like the way it feels. I have totally lost track of what week this is. I might have even missed a week in between, but I obviously wanted to show how my skin is doing. Sorry, I have a teardrop right here. I just wore my lenses. It looks pretty good right now. I was struggling with a few acne on my forehead and also in this area of my face, but now they are gone. But I have these few marks left because I'm using the vitamin C serum. It is not as prominent as it would have been. I haven't applied anything. I've just washed my face, and this is how it looks like. What do you guys think? Hello everyone, this is week 6 or 6.5, I'd say. I've not applied nothing on my face, just sunscreen and a little bit of cream blush, nothing else. See my under eyes dark circles, they look so much better. I've even told my sister to start using it. She already bought the vitamin C serum and under eye corrector. The results are actually visible and I really love the way my skin looks. I use these products twice daily, once during the day and once before going to bed. Now if you're using vitamin C during the day, please make sure to follow up with a good sunscreen. Never leave your house without sunscreen, especially if you're wearing vitamin C. I followed this routine religiously and I'm so proud of myself. I haven't been so regular with any of my routines. If I talk about my entire experience, the process was slow. I won't say that I saw instant results and it was so good, you need to go buy it right away, this and that. No, you need to be very dedicated while using these products. I did not use any other product while I was using these. Now if you're starting using these products, I would say you need to be patient. That is the key. I would stop using these products because I want to see what more it can do to my skin, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated. I've already finished this much and I would want to finish these. If you want to know more about the brand and these products particularly, I've shared an in-depth review on my IGTV. I will leave the link in the description box below, so make sure to watch it. And yes, before I forget to mention, we now have Murad minis now available on Nykaa. If you have always wanted to try Murad products but not very sure which product would suit your skin, well, here's your chance to try out these minis before you buy the full size. How cute these are, and they're perfect for traveling as well. Let me know in the comments down below if you're willing to try out these Murad products. I would love to know that. And if you have tried them already, how's your experience? I would love to know that too. And that's it for today's video. Links of all the products will be given in the description box below. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.